בחינות הבגרות באנגלית, מועד חורף תשס"ח 2008. לתלמידים אינטרניים ואקסטרניים הנבחנים בשאלון א'. שלום רב. היום אתם נבחנים בבחינות הבגרות בשפה האנגלית, ובעוד רגע ישודר הקטע בהבנת הנשמע. נשמיע לכם את הקטע הזה פעמיים. הודעה חשובה למשגיחי הבחינות ולנבחנים. אסור להקליט את הקטעים. יש להאזין לקטעים בשתי הקריאות שבשידור בלבד. בסיום השידור, על התלמידים לשים את מקלטי הרדיו או כל מכשיר אחר בצידי החדר.
Hello students. Today you are sitting for your Bagrut examination in English. In a moment you will hear the text of your listening comprehension test, which will be read twice. And now the first broadcast.
ועתה השידור הראשון.
Good morning, listeners. I'm Sarah Frank, and you are listening to our program, Special People. Today I am going to tell you about Blake McCoskey and the way he helps children. Blake was a successful businessman. A few years ago, he felt he was working too hard. He felt that his life was only about making money. He wanted a change. He decided that what he really wants to do is to help other people. Blake left his job and went on a trip around the world to find out how he could help others. In many of the countries that he visited, he saw a lot of poor children. Many of these children did not have shoes because their parents did not have money to buy them. Blake had an idea of how he could solve this problem. He decided to open a shoe factory and make shoes for children and for adults. His plan was to sell only 50% of the shoes that he made. The other half of the shoes he planned to give away for free to poor children. He opened his factory in a small village in Argentina. All of the workers in the factory live in the village, and they were happy to have jobs. Blake's shoes are made in many bright colors and look very nice. People who bought them say the shoes are so comfortable that they wear them all the time. You cannot buy Blake's shoes in shoe stores. You can only buy them on the internet. This way, Blake can sell his shoes at low prices because he doesn't have to open any shoe stores. Blake's shoes became popular very quickly. Many famous people buy them because they know they are helping poor children. In 6 months, Blake sold 10,000 pairs of shoes. He also gave away 10,000 pairs of shoes to children in Argentina. Next year, Blake wants to make even more shoes. He wants to be able to help more children around the world. He wants every child to have at least one pair of shoes. Blake hopes that he can get volunteers to help him bring the shoes to faraway countries. Blake makes a lot of money from selling his shoes, but he doesn't use it for himself. He uses the money to make a difference in the world. This ends our program today. Goodbye.